Hello everyone and welcome to another Tech Tip Tuesday video. My name is Jose Jaramillo. I am the application specialist here at CAD Micro Solutions, and today we are going to be talking about vault relocation. This is a tool that it's going to allow us to free the space of the disk of the server where we run the vault. This is kind of a maintenance functionality that is included with PDM. So here I have my server and I have two different disks. So what we're going to do during this tutorial is go here into our local disk C, and we're going to browse for the default PDM location for the vault files. So basically, if we go here, SolidWorks PDM, data, and we have all the vaults that we have right now. I'm going to relocate this Acme vault. As we can see, let's check. The size is 4.16 gigabytes that I want to move into a different location. So I'm going to go here in this PC. I'm going to go to my D drive, and I'm going to create a new folder called vaults. So now I have created my folder where I'm going to relocate the vault to, and then I'm just going to go to the Windows menu and look for the archive server configuration software. I'm going to launch the program, and we're going to get our archive list. Here we have our Acme vault, and if we just right click on that one, we're going to have a relocate option. Also, we can just right click on it and say properties, and we're going to see here that we have the actual path where the vault is relocated and the relocate option here as well. So if I click relocate, this is the file vault relocation dialog. So what we're going to do now is going to click this add button here, and now we're going to have a new empty path that is going to show up here. I'm going to go here to my vault folder, go the vault that I created, paste that into the path, or we can just browse from here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to move this to 100% and this one to 0%. So if we want to combine these values, we're going to be able to do it in whatever way we want. We can say 50-50, and as long as we get a 100% in the total size, that's going to be fine. What this is going to do is it's going to actually split the vault, the archive of the vault, into these two different locations. For backing up purposes and overall maintenance, we always suggest only keep one location with the 100% of the files. It's way easier to restore this way, and it's way easier to maintain and to back up. So once we have this configuration in 0% and 100%, we're going to hit OK, and we're going to get a warning. So essentially, this warning is saying that users are going to still be able to use the vault during the relocation process. This may cause some issues if the user is putting files into the archive. So these files may not be relocated in the end. So it's very important to make sure that no one is accessing the vault at that moment. And if we want to do it later on, we can always cancel and then come back into this dialog. So I'm going to say OK. And as you can see, the operation is being performed. Please also note that I have a not responding window here, and Windows is going to prompt with whether or not I want to terminate the process. So I want to wait for the program to respond. This is normal sometimes, especially if we have a big vault. If we cancel the program, it may cause that some of the files may not be relocated. So this can lead to potential issues of inconsistencies between the new location and the old location. So it's very important, be patient, and although it looks like it's really stuck, um, PDM is actually relocated. So as you can see, now the process is finished. I'm going to go back into my C drive right here, program files, SolidWorks PDM, the data folder, and now look at the Acme folder that it's empty. If we go now to our new location in the D drive, then we're going to see that everything has been moved. So that would be it for today. Thank you so much for joining once again, and see you on the next Tech Tip Tuesday.